So I'm breaking the rules a little bit. Going to Kites. It's a Sri Lankan restaurant in Melbourne, in Clayton especially. I've been there before. Gonna get some Kottu Roti. I've been asked to do this. A few people have said that it's delicious. I'm gonna try it out, and I'm also gonna get some prawn curry. Yum yum. So let's go. Hi guys, before we start, please like and subscribe to watch future content like this. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm back in Clayton and I'm back at my favourite place, Kites. I'm here to get some tasty curry, and look at that behind me, it's awesome. I ordered a beef kottu, and I'm getting tempted having a look at these prawns as well. It looks awesome. So what are you putting into the kottu?
Vegetables,
Yep.
onions, garlic,
Yep.
and a little bit of chili.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's good.
that's beautiful.
Just bump up the chili a bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, no worries. I also got a prawn curry. Oh my god, I'm going to put on weight eating like this. And that looked awesome too. So, get down to Kites. It's very tasty. Well, I made it home. Didn't get pulled over. I've got my Kottu Roti packed up nicely. And that's my prawn curry, which probably for dinner. And they also give you like a papadum and some chili in there. But let's get into this Kottu Roti. Now, a few of my viewers have said you've got to try this, and wow, that looks awesome. So that's a beef kottu, and smells awesome. Oh, I'm spilling it all over the place. So let's get into this. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. I'm not sure if I can finish the whole thing. It looks like there's a lot here. So, like the chef said, he's got a lot of chilies in there. I asked him to chilify it more. Is that a word? Chilify? Put more chilies in. There's beef. So there's roti, which is shredded, and it's stir fried with herbs and spices. I'm loving this, guys. This is absolutely delicious. Have a look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Looks awesome. I'm absolutely loving this. It is awesome. Wow. There's so much here. I don't think I can eat it all. But then again, I keep saying that, but I always do. So this is from Kites Restaurant and Takeaway in Clayton. I'll leave you the link. Check it out. Great people, great service, and this is bloody delicious. That's the only way I can describe it. It is delicious. I think I need to slow down a little bit so I can actually taste the flavors in there. But when something is so good, you just want to shovel it into your mouth, you know. No, I recommend this. This is awesome. So there were different types of kottu you can get, which is chicken. I think they had a seafood one, a vegetarian one. Obviously, you can get that too, I suppose. Yeah, Yum, yum, yum. So for all you guys that said try Kottu, it's really good. You're right, it is fantastic. I love it. So he cooked this for me on the spot when I was there, the chef, and my God, this is awesome. I really got to give him a heads up. He's done a great job. I'm really enjoying this. Beautiful day outside, beautiful meal to go with it. Well, for someone who said he couldn't eat it all, there's not much left on the plate. It's all been consumed. This is really nice. It's really got a nice fresh taste to it, you know, and the herbs and spices in there just blend in so well. I'm loving this. You know what, this is my second visit to Kites and the food has been exceptional. Fantastic, you know, do yourself a favor, get down there and get some food from there. You know, even better when all these lockdowns are finished, sit there and taste a few cuisines. Yum. Done. Absolutely delicious. So, you know, I love Kottu actually. I might prefer it to rice and curry. It's a big. So this is the prawn curry that I got, and I know that looks really inviting, but I just can't eat it now. It's just too much. So that's going to be a meal for later on. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this. And for everyone that said you got to try Kottu, I did. And you know what? I absolutely loved it. And also, they gave me a dessert. I think it's watalapa. It's a Sri Lankan dessert. It's made out of egg. I think jaggery. Very sweet. And I can't wait to get into that. But I just can't eat anything right now. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and hope to see you again. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe for future content. Thank you.